Previous video you are learned definitions and formula related to chapter 4. Now example 4.6. Ranjit bought a washing machine for rupees 16,150 and paid rupees 1,350 for its transportation. Then he sold it for rupees 19,250. Find his gain or loss percentage. Okay, so Ranjit bought a washing machine for, so it is a SP bought, so that is, sorry, it is a CP, cost price. It is overhead expenses. It is a overhead expenses. It is overhead expenses. SP sold it for, so it is a SP, selling price cost. So we want to find his gain or loss percentage. So total CP of the washing machine is equal to CP plus overhead expenses. So that is 16,150 plus 1,350. You have to add these two. What do you get? 17,500. SP is 19,250. Now you have to compare CP and SP. Which is more? SP is more. If SP is more, if there is a gain or profit. Okay, so if there is a gain, so gain percentage or profit percentage, gain and profit have the same meaning. You have to use any one of the word. Gain percentage is equal to, what is the formula? Gain by CP into 100 percentage. Gain you have to calculate. Okay, gain, what is the formula? Gain is equal to SP minus CP. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. So SP is how much? 19,250 minus 17,500. It is CP by CP is 17,500 into 100. So you have to subtract these two. What do you get? 1,750. You have to subtract these two by 17,500 into 100. Now you have to make cancel. 20 cancelled. Then it is 175 one time, it is 10 times. So that is equal to 10 percentage. Gain percentage is equal to 10 percentage. Okay, example 4.7. If the selling price of an LED TV is equal to 5 by 4 of its cost price, then find the gain or profit percentage. Okay, gain or profit percentage. What is given? CP of the LED TV is unknown. A student, if the selling price of a LED TV is equal to 5 by 4 of its cost price, so it is unknown. Okay, so that is, you have to consider the cost price of the LED TV be rupees X. Okay, so you have to refer here, SP is equal to 5 by 4 of its cost price. Okay, suppose cost price is X, selling price is equal to 5 by 4 into X. Profit, what is the formula? SP minus CP, that is equal to SP 5 by 4 into X minus X. So that is equal to 5 by 4x. What is this meaning? 5x by 4 minus x by 1. So you have to take a LCM. LCM is 4, you know, otherwise cross multiplication. That is 5x minus 4x by 4. Cross multiplication. You have to make multiple these two and these two. 5x into 1, 5x. 4 into x, 4x. Middle minus is there. 5x minus 4x whole divided by 4. So that is equal to x by 4. Okay. So now profit percentage. Profit by CP into 100 percentage. Profit, what we get? X by 4 by x into 100. So this x cancelled. Yes, numerator x, this x cancelled. So after cancelling we have 1 by 4 into 100 percentage. So that is 1 4 is 4. It is 25 times. Okay, 25 into 4 is 100. So that is equal to 25 percentage. Example 4.8. This is an important problem. The cost price of 16 boxes of strawberries is equal to selling price of 20 boxes of strawberries. Find the gain or loss percentage. Okay, we have to calculate gain or loss percentage. What is given? CP of 16 boxes is equal to SP of 20 boxes. Cost price CP. CP of 16 boxes is equal to SP of 20 boxes. So CP is unknown. So let the CP of one strawberry box be X. We have to consider one strawberry box cost price is X. So this implies 20 strawberry boxes, one box is X. Cost of one box is X. So therefore the cost price of 20 strawberry boxes 20 into X 20X. And SP of 20 strawberry boxes is equal to CP of 16 strawberry boxes. It is given in the question. CP of 16 boxes is equal to SP of 20 boxes. So that is 20 strawberry boxes cost is 20x. So SP of 20 strawberry boxes is equal to CP of 16 strawberry boxes. That is equal to 16x. It is given. Okay, yes, so this implies we have to compare SP and CP. Okay, 20 CP strawberry boxes, sorry, CP of 20 strawberry boxes and SP of 20 strawberry boxes we have to compare. It is 20x, it is 16x. Which is more? CP is more. CP is less than, SP is less than CP, hence there is a loss. So loss, what is the formula? CP minus SP. So 20x minus 16x, that is equal to 4x. We have to calculate the loss percentage. Loss by CP into 100. Loss is 4x by CP is 20x into 100. So x cancel. 1 4 is 4. 5 4s are 20. Then 1 5 is 5. 20 times 100. 20 into 5 is 100. So loss percentage is equal to 20%. Okay, this is very important problem. Listen students, now exercise 4.2 second problem. If selling price of an article is rupees 820, causes 10% loss on the selling price, then find its cost price. What is given? SP of an article. Then loss percentage is given. Using that we have to find that cost price. Okay. Listen students, what is given in the question? SP. SP is equal to rupees 820. Okay, also given loss percentage is equal to 10%. For SP and a loss percentage is given, what is the formula? SP and loss percentage is given. So what is the formula? SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Yes, SP is what is given? 820 is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage is 10 by 100. Okay, so that is, now CP is equal to, you have to transpose this side. So that is equal to 820 is equal to CP into 90 by 100. Yes, 100 minus 10 is 90. So this implies you have to find CP, So remaining thing you have to transpose this side. This 90 by 100 you have to transpose to left hand side. So it gets changes in this numerator and denominator values. Okay, CP is equal to 820 into 100 by 90. 90 by 100 transpose to this side, it's become 100 by 90. Now 0 cancel. Okay, so 0 cancels, and after cancelling what you have? 82 into 100 by 9. 82 into 100 by 9, what do you get? So that is equal to 8200. 82 into 100, 8200 by 9. You have to use a normal division. So you have to make a normal division, you get 911.1. So it is approximately is equal to 911. Okay, so their value is equal to 911. 82 into 100 is 8200 by 9. Divide these two, you get 911. So what is the cost price? CP is equal to, therefore CP is equal to rupees 911. Okay. Third question, if the profit earned on a selling an article for rupees 810 is same as the loss on selling it for rupees 530, then find the cost price of the article. Have you understood this question? Profit earned on selling an article 810. Yes, for the article is sale for rupees 810, they get profit, is the same as loss on selling it for, suppose the same article sell it for 530, they get loss. So then find the cost price of the article. We have to find the cost price of the article. Okay, for here only one clue is given, that is SP. Here it is both SP. For it is SP 810, SP 530. But what they are mentioned, these two are same. The same article is mentioned. Yes, same as the profit earned on selling an article for rupees 810 is same as the loss on the selling it for rupees 530. Using this condition, we have to solve this CP. For this question, first what is given? If there is a profit. Profit, what's the formula? SP minus CP. Okay, profit SP minus CP. Profit is equal to SP for profit. What is the SP? 810 minus CP. If there is a profit, what is the SP? 810. Yes. Then case number 2, if there is a loss when selling price is rupees 530. So in case number 2, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. This is the formula. So loss is equal to CP minus, when they get loss, SP is 530, CP minus 530. Okay. So what is given in the question? Given that profit of case 1 is equal to loss of case 2. Case 1 is equal to case 2. So that is profit, what you get? 810 minus CP, loss CP minus 530. Yes, you have to transpose this CP to right hand side. So it's become plus CP. This minus 530 moves this side, it's become plus. So 810 plus 530. This minus CP moves to here. So plus CP. CP plus CP, 2 times CP. Okay, this is CP, 2 times CP. Add these to 1340. We want to find CP, CP we want to find. This 2 you have to divide. So 1340 divided by 2. So you have to divide 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 7 2s are 14, this 0 taken right, 670. So therefore CP is equal to rupees 670. Listen students, fourth question. If the selling price of 10 ruler is same as the cost price of 15 rulers, then find the profit percentage. If the selling price of 10 rulers is same as the cost price of 15 rulers, then find the profit percentage. Okay. Listen students, for this question cost price is unknown. Yes, so you have to consider, let the cost price of one ruler be X. Cost price of one ruler we have to consider as X. Okay, given that selling price of a 10 rulers is same as the cost price of 15 rulers. SP of 10 ruler is same as the CP of 15 rulers. Yes, so that is SP of 10 rulers is equal to 15 into x. 15 into x. So that is equal to 15x. So this implies SP of 1 ruler is 15 by 10. 10 ruler is 15x. So 1 ruler 15 by 10. So that is equal to 15 by 10 is 1.5x. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP of 1 ruler minus CP of 1 ruler. SP of 1 ruler is 1.5x. CP of 1 ruler x. 1.x minus x. So what is this meaning? Coefficient is 1. 1.15 minus 1. So that is 0.5x. Okay. We want to find gain percentage. Gain by CP into 100. Gain what we found? 0.5x. By CP is x. X cancel. So after cancelling we have 0.5 into 100. 0.5 into 100, it is 500. One decimal place. Keep the decimal is here. So that is equal to 50 percentage. So that is equal to 50 percentage. Okay. Gain is equal to 50 percentage. Fifth question. Some articles are bought at rupees 2 for rupees 15 and sold at 3 for rupees 25. Find gain percentage. Some articles bought at rupees 2 for rupees 15. Okay. 2 articles 15 rupees and sold 3 articles for rupees 25. Find the gain percentage. Listen students, in this question, 2 articles cost is rupees 15. They bought. CP of 2 article is rupees 15. Yes, it is given. But the one article cost we want to find, that is the cost price of one article be CP. Okay, you have to consider, instead of using the variable, you have to use CP, cost price of one article be CP. Given that two are bought for rupees 15. So 2 into CP is equal to 15. So CP is equal to 15 by 2. Okay, students, one article we consider as CP. Question given two article cost is rupees 15. So 2 into CP is equal to 15. 2 into CP is equal to 15. This implies CP is equal to 15 by 2. Let the selling price of an article be SP. Cost price we consider as CP. Selling price we consider as SP. Given that 3 sold for rupees 25. So 3 into SP is equal to 25. So SP is equal to 25 by 3. Okay. So that is, for this given statement we found CP 15 by 2, SP 25 by 3. So gain we have to calculate it. Gain, what is the formula? SP minus CP. SP is 25 by 3. CP 15 by 2. So these two have a different denominator, so you have to use LCM. 3 into LCM is 6. So otherwise you have to use a cross multiplication. 25 into 2 50. 3 into 15 45. Then you have to make multiple these two. 3 2s are 6. 50 minus 45, 5 by 6. We have to find the gain percentage. So gain percentage, what is the formula? Gain by CP into 100 percentage. Gain we get 5 by 6 by CP is 15 by 2 into 100. So that is 5 by 6. This 15 by 2 written as 2 by 15. It is in the denominator. So this is rewritten as into 2 by 15 into 100. So this is rewritten as this form. Now you have to make cancel. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. After cancelling, we have in the numerator 100, denominator 9. Now 100 by 9. 100 divided by 9. 1 9 is 9. Balance 1. Bring down the next digit. Then again 1 9 is 9. Balance 1. So you have to make it as a mixed fraction. How you write as a mixed fraction? Quotient, divisor, remainder. Quotient is 11. Divisor is 9, remainder is 1. So 11 1 by 9 percentage. Okay, 11 1 by 9 percentage. Gain percentage is 11 1 by 9 percentage. Sixth question. By selling a speaker for rupees 768, a man loses 20%. In order to gain 20%, how much should he sell the speaker? Yes. Rupees 7, selling price is rupees 768, they get a loss 20%. Suppose they need to get 20%, what is the SP? This is the question. What is given in the question? SP of the speaker. Yes, rupees 768. What is the loss percentage? 20%. Formula. SP and loss percentage given. What is the formula? What is the formula? SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. SP given 768 is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage is 20 by 100. Yes, this 768 is equal to CP into 100 minus 20, 80 by 100. You want to find CP. So this 80 by 100 transposed to this side. So that is 768. So suppose you get any confusion, you have to write like this. Into this 80 by 100 transposed to this side, it's become 100 by 80 is equal to CP. It is a transposing rules. So this is written as CP is equal to 768 into 100 by 80. 0 0 cancel. 1 8 is 8. 9 8s are, what is, say the 8th table? 9 8s are 72. Balance 4. So that is 48. 6 8s are 48. 96 into 10. So that is 960. Yes, students? Yes. For another one, second condition given for gain of 20%. Gain is 20%. What is the selling price? Yes, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. Now gain is given and CP also we know. Yes, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So CP what we found 960 into 100 plus 20 by 100. So that is 960 into 100 plus 20, 120 by 100. So 0 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel. After cancelling we have 96 into 12. 96 into 12 you get 1152. Okay, so SP is equal to rupees 1152.